Welcome, family, friends, faculty, staff, sponsors of our course, you, Women in Manufacturing. Well, Mr. Brian, today I have the story of the day. And the story of the day is, we did it. Lo logramos. Despite all the adversities and challenges, we did it. These 3 months have been an adventure for all. We all came with different expectations, with from different backgrounds, and with many situations. Some people give up in the beginning, but we, this group right here, we are brave. Some of us got here with terror because of the language, like me, and others have to do crazy things in their jobs with the kids to come to class. But at the end of the day, we can say that it is worth it. It is worth it. This program has been a blessing for all of us. It is short, but it's intense. It was a quality education. At the beginning, we didn't know anything. But time later, use a micrometer, calipers, comparators, learn about metrology, quality control. Was easy peasy. I have to thank Brian for his patience with us, to always look for a way that we could understand what he was teaching. Also, thank you for keeping us in expectation, waiting for the story of the day. Mrs. Jacqueline, thank you for your optimism, joy, and expertise to teach us and prepare us for our job search before, during, and after. Thank you to the Rollies coaches who train us with passion, wisdom, and patience. It was great. They say they are not teachers, but for me they are. Thanks to all the sponsors who believe and contribute with this program, Women in Manufacturing. Finally, I would like to thank all the families, friends, babysitters, etc., who help us each week to be here. This is the end of a great adventure together. Now we are prepared with the education, the skills, and the confidence to succeed in the field of manufacturing. I wish you all the best. May your dreams and goals be completed better than you imagine. Good luck, girls, and thank you all.